Hi, I'm Brittany and I'm here with our newest book club offering, the Graphic Medicine Book Club Kits. Now, graphic medicine may not be a phrase that you're familiar with. All it means is the intersection of healthcare narratives and comics. And before you stop watching, I know that some people might have this idea that comics are only for children or for teens, but that's not the case. Rest assured, these are geared towards adults and they cover very real topics with real people and topics that sometimes we have a little bit of difficulty learning about or talking about. We have 11 of these kits available for up to from 1 to 10 people to check out and hopefully get these conversations started. The topics that you can do are aging parents, Alzheimer's disease, anxiety and depression, childhood trauma, emergency preparedness, grief, LGBTQ, maternal health, mental health, practitioner perspectives, and veterans health. Each kit will include 2 books. So I have the maternal health kit in front of me right now, which includes the books, The Facts of Life, and Kid Gloves. In addition to these 2 books, you will have a guide on how to read a comic. Sometimes as adults we don't necessarily know how to begin that, as well as discussion questions to get you thinking and talking amongst yourselves, and then information from the National Institutes of Health on whatever the given topic is. These are available now for checkout. They are funded by a grant that Darien Library received from the National Networks of Libraries of Medicine New England region. And we've had one book group try them so far and had really good feedback. I hope that you will step outside your comfort zone and give them a try.